What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. I'm Danielle, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about this 2024 Honda CRV all-wheel drive EX, all the features, things within your touchscreen display, gear shift, drive modes, sunroof, back seats, everything to it. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, we can see that it has 31,000 miles. Right above that, you can say it says normal. Right next to your gear shift on the left-hand side, you can see your drive mode, and you can switch through those. You can see your econ, snow, and of course back to normal for your normal driving. But snow is the icy conditions, and econ is a little bit of a better gas mileage. Let's go ahead and check out your steering wheel and the buttons it has. So you have your volume, source, tune, voice commands, and then your home menu where you can control things within the dash. So you can see things like your warnings, range and fuel, as well as speed and time, driver attention, all-wheel drive. So that will be anything within your system, seat belts, maintenance, safety, and you can even have it blank as a regular unit. You can find out plenty of more information within that, but let's take a look at the right hand side, which has your adaptive cruise control and regular cruise control settings, your gap within that, and then your steering assist. This helps you stay in the lines while driving, gives you a little bit of assistance within the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and take a look over here. Engine start stop button, which you use your key fob for. Key fob is back here. Just check that out. You have lock and unlock, remote start, and your trunk release. You can use your alert system too to find your vehicle, and you can use this for keyless entry. Keep this in a purse or pocket nearby, so you can start up your vehicle, keyless entry, everything like that. Nice and simple and very convenient. Set that down and check out the rest of it up here. Adjustable vents with your climate controls down below here. You have heated seats for both the driver and passenger, which is very convenient. You have dual temperatures. You can adjust it over here, and it can be a different temperature from the passenger, and then you can go ahead, sync it right back up. You have your adjustments right up here, and it does pop up on the screen to help you navigate that as well. Hazard lights in between your adjustable vents, and then your touchscreen display. Let's check that out. So you have, of course, AM and FM radio, as well as you can use Sirius XM. You have your media, where you can pair a device, a phone connection right in here, as well as your connect. USB, very simple, volume and tune. Hopping over to menu, you can see your Bluetooth setting, smartphone settings, which has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Nice and easy to use that. As well as, of course, you can adjust your display, rear camera settings, cross traffic, things like that. Which, checking out your camera, let's put this in reverse. Nice clear backup camera, and then you also have different camera views. So you, of course, have your outward view, downward/hitch view, and then your regular backup camera view. You can turn on and off those alerts for when you're near something when backing up. Put that back into park, and that about wraps up most of the screen. Of course, there's plenty of information within that you can access, but for now, that's it. Down below all of your climate control stuff, you have some charging ports, USB-C, USB, and a 12-volt. You have your passenger airbag light, and some storage. Gear shift, and next to that is your drive modes, which I already went over. Auto off for that stop and go traffic, saving some gas. Downhill assist, parking brake, and brake hold. This will light up when your parking brake is engaged. And then, of course, you can put it down to release it. Cup holders back here, a little bit of an area for your key fob, and plenty of room in the center console. Taking a look up top here, you have your sunroof. Nice little bit of a feature to have some light in. Sunglass holder right over here, and then, of course, your sunroof controls. Nice and easy to open that up, let some fresh air in, everything like that, and you can always vent it. Close that up, and you have your lighting settings in front of that. You can control it if it turns on with the door or not. Your steering wheel, you have your traction control off, and then your door panel with, of course, your window controls, door locks, child lock, and mirror controls. You can adjust those things, and you also have your blind spot warnings to keep you and others safe while driving. Let's take a step out and take a look at the interior of this Honda. A nice little hidden gem within the CRV is that each door says CRV within it, which is nice and neat to have within the door panel. Black accents and mostly around this vehicle. You got that darker interior. Cloth seating, so you can use that, but they are heated, which is nice and convenient. And automatic seats, so you can move that with ease. let's go ahead and take a look at the back seats. Once again, we can see that CRV hidden gem within the door. But taking a look at the back seats here, you have that middle seat that folds down to be an armrest with cup holders. Fold that back up and you can sit 3 people back here. Extra seat belt right in here. Charging ports and adjustable vents for the back seat people. Pocket in the back of the passenger seat, as well as some pockets in the door right here. You can fold down the second row seats for some more storage, or you can even recline them even more, which is nice and convenient. Taking a look back here, you have a charging port on the driver hand side, and then underneath this mat, a spare tire and some tools in case of any emergency. But I think that about wraps up everything that I have for this Honda CRV all-wheel drive here in Ephrata, Pennsylvania. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call us at 717-733-8985. You can always stop in for a visit. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye!